So you might be trying to go through and figure out how to make a sound on TikTok. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, you want to go ahead and either post your song on TikTok so people can review it, whatever the case is. Now, the only way to do this for the most part is by making a TikTok that's public with your song or your sound in the background. So if we go and take a look at a few examples from my own profile page, right? If I go and click on this video that did kind of decently well, at the bottom there should be a little panel that should go ahead and showcase the sound that you can go and click on. And if you look in the bottom right, I have my little profile icon here. All I have to do is go and click there, and you will see that even though I didn't have to upload a specific sound, it still goes to this specific portion where people can react to this sound. They can view it up here. They can also click on use this sound down here. They can add it to favorites. So I'm just giving you an example of basically how a sound is, showed. This is basically what it looks like. Now, if I go and swipe back out, now on this account, I'm going to get lots of things because a lot of people interact with this, but essentially what you want to do is, first of all, get the sound or the video that you want to go ahead and have people react to. If it's a song that you made or if it's a sound that you made outside of TikTok, you're going to have to use an application like CapCut or iMovie or something along those lines to actually go ahead and kind of edit that song onto a video. That's usually what I see a lot of musicians do. Now, when you have that done, just go and click this plus button down here. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and upload that sound. So you can go ahead and click on upload the sound right here. Or if you want, you can just go and hold this down right here. And you can just go ahead and make a sound as you like a TikTok and just have that sound playing in the background. Or if it's not even a sound, maybe it's just you posting a video, then you can go and just post it. And then what you can do is you can go and click check. And then you want to go and click next. And then you'll be able to go ahead and post this video as you normally would. Some big things though that you want to keep in mind is where it says who can watch this video, you want to make sure everyone can watch it. You can allow duets, allow stitch and all this other stuff. Usually though, by allowing comments and allowing everyone to see it and probably allowing stitches and duets, that will allow people to go ahead and use that as a song. So that is a big thing to keep in mind. If you want to go ahead and use it as a sound, as a song, whatever the case is, that is it. Now, like I said, if I show you some random, this was a random TikTok I made. This is not a sound in particular, but you can see people can use it as a sound if they want to. So, and that is exactly how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.